The Tesla Cybertruck is here, but the Cybertruck's release brought surprises beyond the specs. Like, did you know the production model is 5% smaller than the initial prototype? And have you heard about the range extender option, adding 120 miles for $16,000? What about the four-wheel steering with a steer-by-wire system, allowing for nimble maneuvering despite its size and weight? These revelations are just a taste of what wasn't showcased at the event. In this video, we'll uncover the lesser-known details about the Cybertruck. Elon Musk, known for his hands-on approach, made headlines by personally overseeing the delivery of the initial 10 production Cybertrucks to undisclosed individuals. This surprise move not only captured attention, but also triggered a wave of excitement and curiosity about the recipients of these groundbreaking vehicles. The secrecy surrounding the recipients led to speculation and intrigue, as eager enthusiasts and observers wondered about the selection criteria and who these lucky few might be. During this milestone event, the veil was lifted on the Cybertruck's production, offering a glimpse behind the scenes. The reveal showcased the bustling activity within the production facilities, shedding light on the meticulous construction process of these futuristic trucks. The sight of the Cybertruck's assembly line in action hinted at the imminent arrival of these innovative vehicles into the market, sparking anticipation among prospective buyers and fans alike. Elon Musk's direct involvement in the delivery of the initial batch of Cybertrucks underscored his commitment to the project and his hands-on approach to innovation. His personal touch not only added a sense of excitement to the event, but also emphasized the significance of this groundbreaking creation in the realm of electric vehicles. This unveiling marks a pivotal moment in the journey of the Cybertruck, offering enthusiasts a sneak peek into its production and reaffirming Elon Musk's dedication to revolutionizing transportation. The event generated a palpable sense of anticipation, leaving enthusiasts eagerly awaiting the Cybertruck's official release and heralding a new era in the world of automobiles. The Cybertruck lineup offers an exciting array of models, each designed to cater to varying preferences and needs. Among the confirmed models are the impressive Cyberbeast, featuring a powerful tri-motor configuration, and the more accessible all-wheel drive variant, providing versatility at a more affordable price point. At the forefront is the Cyberbeast, a top-tier model that embodies raw power and performance. Equipped with a tri-motor setup, this beastly version boasts a commendable 320-mile range on a single charge, catapulting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a breathtaking 2.6 seconds. With a top speed reaching 130 miles per hour, the Cyberbeast sets the bar high for exhilarating performance among electric vehicles, promising an electrifying driving experience. For those seeking a balance between efficiency and performance without compromising on range, the all-wheel drive model offers an attractive alternative. With a slightly extended 340-mile range on a single charge, this variant ensures ample travel without the need for frequent recharging. Accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a respectable 4.1 seconds, it delivers a punchy performance suitable for various driving scenarios. Although its top speed slightly lags behind at 112 miles per hour, the all-wheel drive Cybertruck offers a blend of efficiency and capability, making it an enticing option for a broader audience. The diverse specifications across these models cater to different consumer preferences, whether it's the thrill-seeking enthusiast craving sheer power or the practical buyer seeking a balance between performance and range. Tesla's meticulous attention to detail in crafting these variations ensures that there's a Cybertruck model suited to meet a wide spectrum of driving needs, promising innovation and performance in the burgeoning electric vehicle market. Tesla's Cybertruck holds a mysterious allure with several undisclosed specifications and features, leaving enthusiasts eagerly anticipating the reveal of these hidden elements that promise to elevate its performance and appeal. One of the intriguing mysteries surrounding the Cybertruck is the enigmatic range extender option. This optional feature purportedly extends the Cybertruck's range by an additional 120-plus miles, tantalizing prospective buyers with the prospect of extended travel capability. However, crucial details, such as its availability and cost, remain shrouded in secrecy, adding an air of curiosity and speculation among enthusiasts waiting to unlock this additional potential. Another aspect veiled in mystery is the Cybertruck's structural pack, akin to the Model Y's design. While Tesla has hinted at the similarity between the Cybertruck's structure and that of the Model Y, specific details about this structural pack remain undisclosed. This leaves enthusiasts and industry observers wondering about the innovative structural elements that could potentially enhance the Cybertruck's durability, performance, and overall safety. Adding to the suspense is the highly anticipated return of the single-motor rear-wheel drive option, expected to resurface by 2025. Priced at $61,000, this option is set to offer a commendable 250-mile range on a single charge, with an estimated 6.5-second acceleration time from 0 to 60 miles per hour. The return of this variant not only hints at Tesla's commitment to providing diverse options, but also underscores the company's vision to cater to a wider audience with varying preferences and budgets. These unrevealed specifications and features generate a palpable sense of excitement and anticipation within the Cybertruck community. Tesla's strategy of strategically unveiling key details over time keeps enthusiasts on the edge, eagerly awaiting the unveiling of these undisclosed elements that could potentially redefine the benchmarks in electric vehicle technology. The allure of the unknown features and options surrounding the Cybertruck further amplifies the intrigue and enthusiasm for this groundbreaking vehicle. As Tesla continues to revolutionize the automotive industry, the unrevealed aspects of the Cybertruck serve as a testament to the company's commitment to innovation and their ability to surprise and captivate audiences worldwide. If you are still watching this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Observations from the real world offer intriguing insights into the tangible aspects of the production Cybertruck, shedding light on its size and practicality compared to its peers in the automotive landscape. Comparisons between the production Cybertruck and its 2019 prototype reveal a noteworthy 5% reduction in size. This adjustment, albeit a modest one, positions the Cybertruck slightly smaller than the Ford F-150 in terms of exterior dimension. This reduction, while subtle, underscores Tesla's efforts to refine and optimize the Cybertruck's overall form factor, potentially enhancing its maneuverability and adaptability for various driving conditions. However, despite this size reduction, the Cybertruck manages to outshine its electric F-150 counterpart in a specific area: bed length. The Cybertruck's bed length surpasses the electric F-150 by a substantial 6 inches. This extension accentuates the Cybertruck's practicality and functionality, indicating a keen focus on maximizing cargo capacity and utility, essential aspects for drivers who prioritize hauling capability. These real-world observations paint a nuanced picture of the Cybertruck's design evolution. While the reduction in overall size hints at potential enhancements in agility and maneuvering, the extended bed length demonstrates Tesla's commitment to delivering a vehicle that not only competes in dimensions, but excels in offering practicality and utility to its users. Such observations not only underscore Tesla's attention to detail and continuous refinement of the Cybertruck, but also highlight the strategic decisions made to position this electric pickup truck as a versatile and functional vehicle suitable for various needs, whether for work or everyday use. The Cybertruck stands out with its array of innovative features designed to redefine functionality in the realm of pickup trucks. One notable inclusion is the front trunk, offering additional storage space, a practical addition for users seeking extra room for their belongings without compromising the main cargo bed. Another groundbreaking feature is the Cybertruck's massive windshield, touted as the world's largest in an automobile. This expansive windshield promises unparalleled panoramic views, contributing to an immersive driving experience. However, this remarkable feature also raises concerns about visibility, prompting discussions about potential challenges associated with such a vast windshield. The utilization of steer-by-wire technology represents a leap forward in vehicle maneuverability. With four-wheel steering capabilities, this innovation ensures controlled steering, promising smooth handling and maneuvering, even considering the Cybertruck's substantial size and weight. This technological advancement reflects Tesla's commitment to redefining traditional automotive capability, aiming to offer a unique driving experience that combines practicality with futuristic advancements in engineering and design. One of the striking aspects of the Cybertruck is its coherent design language, maintaining a consistent aesthetic from its exterior to the interior. Tesla's choice of a minimalist and angular design creates a cohesive look that echoes throughout the vehicle, contributing to its futuristic appeal. However, due to design elements such as the expansive windshield and limited rear-view mirror functionality, concerns about visibility have surfaced. Tesla tackles this challenge by ingeniously integrating camera feeds into the vehicle's display system. This integration compensates for reduced visibility, providing drivers with comprehensive visuals of their surroundings. It's an innovative solution that addresses potential issues arising from the distinctive design choices, ensuring a more informed and safe driving experience. These thoughtful design considerations underscore Tesla's commitment to not only pushing boundaries with revolutionary aesthetics, but also prioritizing practicality and safety through cutting-edge technological solutions. Tell us what you think about this. And remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Meanwhile, thanks for watching.